Students, in this video, we are going to discuss about the types of axon. That is, there are two types of axon. One is myelinated axon and the another one is unmyelinated axon. Now, first of all, what is meant by myelin sheath? So, this myelin sheath protects the neuron from the leakage of electric impulse. That is, it is acting as an insulator. It is acting as an insulator. Now, there are two types of myelin. I told you there are two types of myelin. Now, this myelin sheath is just produced, it is just formed by the Schwann cells. So what kind of cells? Schwann cells. Now there are two types of Schwann cells are present. One is myelinated Schwann cells, and next one is non-myelinated Schwann cells. Understood? These are the two types of things. It is so easy that Schwann cells, if it is forming the myelin sheath, then this is called as myelinated axon. If the Schwann cells are not forming any myelin sheath, then that is called as unmyelinated axon. Understood? So now myelinated axon means the fibers are enveloped with Schwann cells. So see here, so these are the Schwann cells. So these small black dot like structure is called as a Schwann cell here. So these Schwann cells just envelop the myelin sheath. So the fibers are enveloped with Schwann cells to form the myelin sheath around the axon. Now the gap between two myelin sheath is called nodes of Ranvier. So important. The gap between, so wait a minute. So the gap between two myelin sheath. So this is this gap. This is the gap we are discussing here. So the gap between two myelin sheath is called as nodes of Ranvier. Understood? So now, so where this myelinated axon is found, it is found in both spinal as well as in cranial nerves. Okay, so it is found in spinal as well as in cranial nerves. Okay, understood? So this is one of the most important point. Now next thing is, what is the unmyelinated axon? So here the fiber is enclosed by Schwann cells that do not form the myelin sheath around the axon. So here what is happening? The unmyelinated axon, the Schwann cells are there, but it is not forming the myelin sheath around the axon. So that's why it's called as unmyelinated Schwann cells. So here it is found in most probably in the nerves associated with skin. So it is found in skin.